Chapter 1. Determiners. Let's learn determiners. A determiner modifies a noun by referring to something specific or emphasizing something of a particular type. This function of a determiner is usually performed by articles, interrogatives, distributives, demonstratives, possessives, and quantifiers. A determiner is followed by a noun. For example, this table, that bird, some coins, etc. Let's learn kinds of determiners. There are 6 different kinds of determiners. Articles, demonstratives, possessives, distributives, quantifiers, interrogatives. Articles. Articles are of 2 types, definite and indefinite. The definite article is used when talking about a specific thing which both the speaker and the listener know about. For example, the news I gave you was true. The meeting is sure to be held this evening. The article is repeated to indicate that both the nouns refer to 2 different people or things. For example, the singer and the dancer were performing at the concert. 2 persons. The article is not repeated if 2 nouns refer to one thing, person. For example, the black and white dog lives in my street. One dog which is partly black and partly white. The singer and dancer is performing at the concert. One person who is singer and dancer as well. The article is not used with the names of countries, states, lakes, and mountains peaks. Proper and uncountable nouns. For example, Australia is an island country. Uttar Pradesh is a populous state. Chilka Lake is in Odisha. Mount Everest attracts many climbers from all over the world. The name of my best friend is Mahesh Sharma. Milk is good for our health. Rabindranath Tagore composed Jana Gana Mana. Remember, with some countries, we use the when they are collection of states such as the United States of America and the United Kingdom. The indefinite article a or an is used when not referring to any specific thing or person. A is used before words starting with consonant sound. For example, I bought a book. An is used before words that start with a vowel sound. He ate an apple. When speaking about a thing for the first time, we use a or an. Thereafter, we use the since we are referring to the thing already spoken of. For example, I met a villager on my way. The villager kindly showed me the way. Demonstratives. Demonstrative determiners are followed by a noun and show which person or thing is being referred to. This, that, these, and those are demonstrative determiners. This and these, plural, indicate something near. That and those, plural, indicate something far away. For example, these apples are good. Near. Ria will take those papers with her. Far away. We can use this and that before uncountable nouns as well as countable nouns. For example, that mango is rotten. Who has spilt this milk? Possessives. Possessive determiners are followed by a noun. They can be used with countable as well uncountable nouns. My, your, our, their, his, her, etc. are some possessive determiners. For example, this is my bag. My is the determiner followed by the noun bag. These are their cricket bats. There is a determiner followed by the noun cricket bats. Possessives can be both possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives, and a distinction between the two must be clearly understood. For example, these are my shoes. Possessive adjective. This house is mine. Possessive pronoun. Possessive adjectives are determiners. Open sesame. Difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Singular, plural, person. Possessive adjectives. Possessive pronouns. Possessive adjectives. Possessive pronouns. First, my, mine, our, ours. Second, your, yours, your, yours. Third, his, her, its, his, hers, their, theirs. Distributives. Distributive determiners are used to refer to a group of people or things. They also refer to individuals within a group. Each, every, either, both, and neither are some distributive determiners. For example, neither answer is correct. Every child needs love and care. Quantifiers. Quantifiers are words or phrases which are used before nouns to indicate an amount or a quantity. There are three main types of quantifiers. Quantifiers are used with countable nouns. For example, please give some coins for charity. I have only a few minutes to spare. There are many titles from which you may choose. Quantifiers are used with uncountable nouns. For example, there was not much milk left in the pot. There was little money in the house. I bought lots of sugar. Quantifiers that can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, could I have some butter, please? Some more quantifiers that can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns are all, enough, more, most, less, least, no, none, not, any, etc. Remember, a quantifier must agree with the noun in a sentence. Interrogatives. Interrogative determiners are used for asking questions. These are used before nouns. What, which, how much, how many, and whose are some interrogative determiners. For example, what kind of clothes do you like to wear? Whose dog is barking in the middle of the night?